Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our online class, Greenfield School and College. This is Kamrun Nahar, Assistant Professor Biology, Greenfield School and College, Mirpur, Dhaka. Today is Chapter 3, Lecture 2. Lecture 2 starts with amino acids. Okay. Amino acids are the main structural component of protein, the organic acid which is formed by the replacement of one or more hydrogen atom by an amino group. Amino group means NH2. This is known amino group. Amino group. Okay. Amino group by an amino group is known as amino acid. It is known that protein is the first organic compound of life. Okay, protein is the first organic compound of life, but it is identified that amino acid is the basic component of life. Okay, protein synthesis is carried out by the formation of chain of amino acid. Almost 20 amino acid 20 amino acids are obtained by hydrolyzing the protein. Each amino acid consists of one amino group and one carboxyl group. Okay, here amino group and COOH, that is known as carboxyl group. Carboxyl group. Okay, so one amino group and one carboxyl group. And a defined group of amino acid are. Okay, are. Both the group is joined by a central carbon molecule, alpha carbon. The structure of a amino acid is CCN. These are not possible to synthesize separately. These essential amino acids are present in protein. Then go to classification of amino acids. Classification of amino acids. Okay. Classification of amino acid. In all, more than 28 amino acids are present both in plant and animal body. Okay. How many amino acids? 28. Among them, 20 are found in living things. A further 200 or more amino acid structures possible but need to be synthesized. Okay, made artificially. They are never found in living systems. The 20 amino acids are classified into 3 groups. Okay, first one aliphatic amino acid, second one aromatic. First one aliphatic, PHATIC, aliphatic. Second one aromatic, aromatic means smell. Okay, and third one heterocyclic, CLIC, heterocyclic amino acid. These are 3 types of amino acid: aliphatic, aromatic and heterocyclic. This term is not very important. Classification of amino acid. Okay. Some the 20 amino acid are alanine, arginine, asparagine, aspartic acid, cysteine, glutamic acid, glutamine, glycine, histidine. isoleucine, leucine, lysine, methionine, okay, phenylalanine, proline, serine, threonine, tryptophan, and tyrosine and valine. These are 20 amino acids. Okay. Protein amino acids. Protein amino acids are those amino acids which are present in protein. Plant amino acids are mostly of this type, but there is variation in the quality. Okay. Non-protein amino acid, the amino acid which are not component of protein but related in the protein synthesis are known as non-protein amino acids. Okay. Citrulline, hemocyanin, orthinin are the example. Essential amino acids. Among 20 amino acids, at least 8. Okay. At least 8, 10 for infants. Amino acids are very essential for the growth. Okay. At least 8 among 20 amino acids. At least 8 amino acids are very essential for the growth. The essential amino acids are arginine, valine, okay, histidine, leucine, isoleucine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, threonine, and tryptophan. Okay, this is very important amino acid, at least 8. Functions of amino acid. Protein synthesis is main function of amino acid. Formation of body is the main function of protein. Okay, that's all amino acid. Then we go to proteins. Proteins, okay. Proteins is very important for you. Amino acids are the structural unit of protein. Okay. Amino acids are the structural unit of protein. A large protein molecule consists of a chain formed by many minute amino acids. Again, by hydrolysis, a protein breaks into amino acid. Okay. Again, by hydrolysis, the process of hydrolysis, protein breaks into amino acid. The central point of the architecture and controlling power of the structure of living body is protein. Protein is essential for the structure and function of living cell. Protein is related with all the activities of the cell. Protein consists of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen molecule. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. Okay. Besides sulfur and phosphorus are also present. Okay. The molecular weight of protein is very high. The molecular formula is R. Okay, molecular formula is R CH NH2 and COOH. This is the molecular formula. A large protein molecule is formed by the peptide linkage between two or more amino acid. One molecule of carboxyl group joined by peptide linkage. আমরা একটু পরে দেখব later. One molecule of by peptide linkage with one molecule of amino group from dipeptide protein molecule and release one molecule of water. Dipeptide, polypeptide, peptone and protease and at last proteins are produced by condensation process. Rounded crystalline proteins are found in the cells of fruits, seeds and leaves. example pepsin, insulin, etc. Protein is found in the animal muscle, example myosin, fibrinogen, etc. Okay. Amino acid, dipeptide bond. Okay. Here C R N, here H, here H, C H, here C, double O, OH, okay, here NH2 R, C double O OH, and then H, N, H, then C, here R, H, C, O, OH. Okay. Here 2 amino acid. 2 amino acid, but here 1 molecule of water. Okay. 1 molecule of water is out from the reaction. And here this is 1 amino acid, this is 1 amino acid. Here 2 H2O is released. Okay. And from CONH. Okay. That is called peptide bond. Peptide bond. Okay. Of the formation of peptide bond, this is the link of protein. Okay. CONH. CONH. Okay. And here 2 free side NH2 amino group and COOH carboxyl group you can found easily. Then characteristics of protein. Characteristics of protein. Okay. Characteristics of protein. Protein is colorless, tasteless. Okay, protein is colorless, tasteless, homogeneous, colloid type of compound. Okay, the nature of protein can be changed by various physical and chemical process. The nature of protein can be changed by various physical and chemical process. Protein is soluble in water, light, acid, soft, alkali, and salt solution. Okay. Protein is composed of carbon, hydrogen, and nitrogen. Okay. Coagulated with acid as a result, bring change in the molecular structure. Then we go to classification of protein. Classification of protein. Yeah. Classification of protein, and on the basis of the chemical structure and solubility, protein are classified into main 3 groups. Okay. Main 3 groups, they are simple protein, conjugated protein, and derived protein. ঠিক আছে? Simple protein is very important for you. So now we discuss simple protein. This is very important. Simple protein. Simple protein, the proteins which are composed of only amino acids are known as simple protein. Okay, the proteins which are composed of only amino acids are known as simple protein. Simple protein or hydrolysis produce only amino acid. Most of the simple proteins are round in shape. On the basis of solubility, these are divided into 7 groups. How many groups? 7 groups. Okay. First one, protamine. Number 1, protamine. Okay. Very simple in formation, small in size and very less molecule weight, soluble in water. Simple protein, soluble in water and does not coagulate by heat. Sulfur and aromatic amino acids are absent. They are present in sperms of few fishes. Okay. Example, styrene, salmine. Okay. Then number 2 protein, histone. Number 2 is histone. It is also a simple protein. It is weak alkaline in nature. As such soluble in ammonium hydroxide. Example, nucleohistone. Okay, that is present in nucleus. Number 3, albumin. Okay, it is available in seeds of plants in natural condition. Okay, it is soluble in water and light acid, coagulated on heating. Sedimentation occurs when treated with ammonium sulfate and sodium sulfate. Example, leucocene. Okay, in egg white. Okay, white part of egg, that is ovalbumin. Then number 4 is globulin. Okay, number 4 is globulin. It is also found in nature. Globulin is of 2 types. Okay, pseudoglobulin, water soluble, and globulin insoluble in water. Okay, example, serum globulin. Then glutenin, number 5, glutenin. It is found in plant seeds, insoluble in water, alcohol and dilute salt solution, but soluble in light acid and alkaline solution. Example, glutenin. You can found in wheat and maize. Okay. Then number 6 protein. Number 6 protein is prolamins. Okay. Number 6 is prolamins. It is also found in seed, insoluble in water and dilute salt solution, but soluble in high acid, alkaline soluble, and in 60 to 80% of alcohol. Okay. Example, gladiolin. Okay, GLIADIN, and gerin in maize, gladiolin in wheat. Okay, gliadin in wheat. Then number 7 is scleroprotein. SCLERO, scleroprotein. Number 7 is scleroprotein, generally found in animal body, soluble in water, dilute acid, alkaline solution, and 60 to 80% alcohol. Even enzyme fail to act the scleroprotein. It plays a big role in formation of your hair, nail, skin, joint tissue and bone. Okay, example is collagen. Collagen you can found in your bones, elastin, keratin, okay, keratin in your hair, collagen in bones. So that's all the example of simple protein. There are 7: protamine, histone, albumin, globulin, glutenin, prolamins, scleroprotein. So that's all. Allah Hafiz.